Okay, so this will be my trade recap for today that I took during the pre-New York session, right? So we waited for all the London Brexit news to clear, and then when it price formed new support at this area here above the previous 30-minute resistance, um, and also closed above the previous daily resistance, plus the 1 hour also rejected strongly to the downside here, rejecting all these previous daily levels and then finally closing with support above 140. So I then waited on the 30-minute for this candle to actually make a wick down to retest the support and the previous resistance, and when it flipped bullish, I took my entry with aggressive stops below this current candle at that point in time. So when this at this area, I took off 90% of the trade, and then my stop loss was actually moved to break even. So thereafter that, the same candle actually flipped and then closed the rest of the position at break even plus 1 pip. Right. So the reason why I had an aggressive stop loss and take profit was because we were already at the previous highs over here, so I didn't want to be greedy with the TPs. So it was a very quick and easy trade for Friday. Not going to be greedy with the TPs, just a quick grab and then I'm done for the week. Right. So hope all of you had a good week, ended profitable. If not, then there's always next week. Right. So don't overtrade, just stay safe